Alright, Peanut here, Muzzy Loader Camp. I don't know how much I got missed, but I ran out of a SD card on a part of the trail. I was walking down Trail 2, down the creek there. I don't know, I'm back on Trail 8 heading back. Now, I went through and deleted some stuff that was on there so I could record some more. So I don't know how much more I want to be able to record, but I'm like I said, I'm back on Trail 8, hiking back. I have not seen no waterfalls yet, so I don't know if you could see the waterfalls from 8 or not. So, but I'm definitely gonna hike back 8 and back to the truck and see if I've got enough video to do me a dinner. I brought some ramen noodles, I think. I got Spam. And I brought my
Hello again.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah.
Hello there, little guy. Have a good day. Had maybe some dinner and maybe head home. So let's see what time it is when we get back. So I'm going to try to save some storage, so I'll get back with you later. Maybe I'll get back to my truck. I got my camera in there. Maybe I can film my cooking on that. Put them on the computer and splice them together. Or I might do a hiking and then just do a cooking video. So we'll see how things go. And then if it's pretty late and stuff, I might just do a post-meal hike or a post-hike meal. I've seen there at Madison, there's quite a few things to choose from. I seen a Kentucky Fried Chicken. Maybe I'll get me some Kentucky Fried Chicken. So I'm hoping I got enough. Well, to at least get me back to the truck. And I'll shut it down there and then just decide there what I'm going to do with the. Must have had an old bridge, and then this is the new bridge. I come through here. ups and downs on this. So. I think I'm getting low on battery power too, so right there's a Trail 8. Brought 2 bottles of water with me. So, good on that. Got my backpack on me. I don't know how much it weighs. Not near like my big pack does, but making good time, I think. Really would like to see the falls though. I'll have to make another trip up here if I don't see them. And study the map and make sure I get on a trail that takes you to them. Maybe that trail 2 took you to them. I just needed to go up the other side of the creek. Have to get on there and see if I could do that or not. I actually feel pretty good too. I'm not real tired and wore out. I wanted to get this video in, so right now I'm parking the trail and enjoying a peaceful afternoon. Seen a lot of people, all their dogs on the trail, all been real friendly, walk right up to me and I'll let them sniff my hand and then I'll let them I'll pat them. So. I'm thinking. Down to like another Trail 8 sign. So, it's a little warmer up here on this ridge than it was down in that creek. Really not too bad. They really got the trails clean good. I mean, you see like there's probably something in the trail there they've cut up. And one back there. Got the bridges. There's a water run, no water running in it though. One thing I will mention though, if you plan on walking Trail 2, make sure it's a pretty dry day. Because if it's up, it'll be a rough hike. A lot of people don't realize, like, if it's got a swift current, how dangerous that is. Well, kind of got a view right through here and stuff. Still ain't come across nothing that's real wide opened up that I like to get a shot of. So far I've been on Trail 8 and Trail 2, parts of them anyway. Run right there. Would be a bad thing to slip here. Tumbling down for a wall. It fell off the edge. Here up on this ridge, things are pretty dry though. Did slip and fall one time though. Just stepped on a root and was gonna use it to get across the mud, and my foot slipped off of it, and I slipped into the mud. Got mud on my shoe there. So they're officially hiking shoes now. They got mud on them. Get them cleaned up, and they'll be ready for the next time. Kind of funny though, all through that creek, walking through that creek, I didn't fall once. But coming up back up on Trail 8, I slipped and fell. Ran into quite a few people hiking and stuff. Everybody's been real nice and stuff. So. Always saying hi, nice, have a nice day, and be careful. Be careful and stuff. There's a preview. And this is the other side here. Looks like there's an old bridge over there. Or is that another trail? I think it's just an old bridge. Just changed the trail around or something. We'll see when we get up there. I don't see no off trail right here. Looks more like this, and that might have been the off trail right there. How y'all doing today?
Good. Good.
Oh, and some more we got. You here.
How's it going?
All right, how about yourself?
Very good.
I guess they come down the trail, and they've all been friendly and stuff. And the ones that had dogs, they've been Making sure I'm staying well hydrated, drinking water as I go. Even when I don't feel thirsty. Like my brother Toy says, it's better to get an early start on it than wait until you get dehydrated. And that ain't a good thing. I like just one real good clear opening on this. All right, Maya. Charge is getting way low. Almost than 10% now, I think it says. So. I'll record as long as I can, and if it goes off, I'll just do my final closing at home when I get it back. And I forgot to bring the charger with me. Could have brought that and had it charging all the time I was coming up here, and it had 100% probably when I got here. Okay, this is, it goes up this way. All right. I think this is where I went down the trail too. So, we've already seen this through here. We'll see if I'm going the opposite directions as long as I can. And what I can, like I said, if it battery goes, whoop, if the battery goes dead, which it did, I'll do the final intro